With our group of 15 individuals, we embark on a journey of 11 days and more than 1,500 kilometers to meet with organizations and people who invested in the country's development, particularly in areas related to environmental conservation, social development, and historical patrimony preservation. Moreover, we visited organizations such as APOPO and ACCB. On our final day in Siem Reap, we visited a local community, Kampong Pluk Floating Village. On our last destination was Kampong Thom province, where we visit the local silk farm. Finally, we arrived at Phnom Penh.
The future's here as we ride off into the sun. You see it clear that this is made for everyone. Young, whoa, set yourself free. Be ready, so start your engine now. Where are you heading now? Just listen to that sound while we explore. Feelings of joy as well. The sun shines on us now. The future's here. As we're taking onto the streets, taking you to places you've only seen in your dreams. Be part of us as we're making history. We can take you anywhere you wish. Be part of us as we are taking onto